Hello students, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will solve the No Calculator Math section of the October 2020 US SAT. So let's begin. Question 1. Tobias rented a kayak from a sports equipment store. For the rental, the store charged $60 per day plus $25 for delivery. If Tobias was charged a total of $325, for how many days did he rent the kayak? So $60 was the per day cost, right? And $25 was the delivery cost. So he was charged a total of $325. So we can subtract 25 from that for delivery. So effectively, for the number of days, he was charged 300. And 300 divided by 60 is 5. So for 5 days, he rented the kayak. Which of the following expressions is equivalent to this expression? 2xy squared plus 3x minus 4 plus 3xy squared minus 8x plus 4. So minus 4 and plus 4 cancels. 2 plus 3, 5xy squared minus 5x. 5xy squared minus 5x, option A. The function f is defined by fx is 3 to the power x. What is the value of f of 2? That is 3 to the power 2, which is 9, option D. The graph of this function is shown. According to the graph, what is the value of f0? f0 will be the y-intercept, and we can see that the y-intercept is -8, option B. hx is given. For this function is defined above. For what value of x is hx equal to -2? So -4 times x minus 1 plus 2 has to be -2. So -4 times x minus 1 is -4, which means x minus 1 is 1. So x is 2. So for x is equal to 2, hx is -2. The equation above expresses the temperature in degrees Celsius in terms of the temperature R in degrees Rankine. Which of the following expresses the temperature in degrees Rankine in terms of the temperatures in degrees Celsius? So C is 5 by 9, R minus 491.67. So 9C by 5 is R minus 491.67. So R is 9C by 5 plus 491.67. So 9C by 5 plus 491.67, option A. A geographer found that the land area of Aruba is 75 square miles and the land area of Bermuda is 19 square miles. Based on these data, the geographer used the equation 75x plus 19y is t to estimate the total number of residents of the two islands. What is the best interpretation of x in this context? So 75x is the population in Aruba, right? And 19y is the population in Bermuda. So if 75 is the area, then x has to be the population density, which means the population per unit area, right? Because that is why when we multiply it by the area, we get the total population. So this is the population density in residents per square mile of Aruba, option D. X squared minus 12x plus 35. What is the sum of the solutions? So the sum of solutions of a quadratic equation, let's say the solutions are alpha and beta. The sum is given by minus b by a, where a is the coefficient of the x squared term and b is the coefficient of x. So minus 12 by 1, which is 12. In the right triangle above, sine x is 5 by 8. What is the value of cos y? So we notice that x plus y is 90 degrees, right? Because it's a right triangle and the sum of the three angles has to be 180. So x plus y is 90. So when x plus y is 90, sine of x will be cos of y. So cos of y is also 5 by 8. In the xy plane above, if point F not shown is placed so that the triangle ABC is similar to triangle DFE, which of the following could be the coordinates of point F? Okay, so A corresponds to D, B corresponds to F, and C corresponds to E, right? So here we are multiplying the x coordinate by 2 and the y coordinate by -2. For C also we notice the same thing. So for B to go to F, we'll multiply the x coordinate by 2, so 4, and the y coordinate by -2, so -10. 4, -10 would be the coordinates of F. Which of the following is the value of y in the solution xy to the system here? Okay, so y is x plus 3 and 2x is y. So I can say 2x is x plus 3. So x is 3. And if x is 3, y is 6. So the value of y is 6d. The function a of t models the number of liters of a fluid in a tank after t hours. Which of the following models the number of liters of the fluid in the tank after m minutes? Okay, so when t is 1, that is 1 hour, then a of 1 is 50 times 2, which is 100. But 1 hour is 60 minutes. So a of 60 from one of these options should also give you 100, right? Because the number of liters after 1 hour or after 60 minutes would be the same. So when we put m equal to 60, which one gives us 100? So this one and this one does, right? So we can cancel B and D. Okay, let's find for A2. A2 is 50 into 4, which is 200. And A of 120 should also be 200 because 2 hours is 120 minutes. So for 200, option A has to be the right answer. 120 by 60, and that would be 2 squared. So A is correct. In the given equation, K is a constant. If the equation has exactly one solution, which of the following could not be the value of K? So K can't be 3 because if K becomes 3, then both sides become the same and the system has infinite solutions, right? So for a unique solution, K should not be 3. How many solutions does this equation have? Okay, so x square minus 4x is x square minus 1. So x square cancels. Minus 4x is -1. So x is 1 by 4. So this has just one solution, 1 by 4. If n is a positive integer, which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? Okay, 2 to the power 2 by n times the nth root of 3. So that means 2 squared is 4, 4 to the power 1 by n into 3 to the power 1 by n, because nth root of 3 is 3 to the power 1 by n. So 4 into 3 to the power 1 by n, which is 12 to the power 1 by n, which is the nth root of 12. So option D, nth root of 12. Okay, several values of x and their corresponding values of y are shown in the table. A linear equation that represents the relationship is x is equal to k, where k is a constant. What is the value of k? So x is 2, right? Because regardless of what I take, I always, x remains the same, right? Y keeps changing, but x remains the same. So k is 2. Okay, what is the value of 12x minus 4x is 8x, and 8 minus 6 is 2. So x is 1 by 4. Triangles ABC and DBE are right triangles. What is cos B? Cos B, right? Cos B. So we can look at this triangle, BED. So in this triangle, cos B would be base over hypotenuse, which is 6 over 10. That's 3 over 5. A system of two linear equations has no solutions. The graph of one of the equation is shown here. The second equation in the system is this, where A is a constant. What is the value of A? So for the system to have no solutions, the lines need to be parallel, which means they'll have the same slope. So what is the slope of this line? Slope is 4 plus 1, 5, 5 by 4, right? So this also should have a slope of 5 by 4. Now, what is the slope of this line? When the line is written in the form of ax plus by is c, the slope is minus a by b. So here it's minus a by minus 1, which is a. Right? So a has to be 5 by 4 because that's the slope. So the answer is 5 by 4. For the exponential function f, the table shows some values of x and the corresponding values of fx. The function can be written in the form of fx is p r to the power x, where p and r are constants. What is the value of r? So we know that p is 9, right? Because the y-intercept is 9. When x is 0, fx is 9, right? So we can write f of x is 9 r to the power x. And now I can put this point 1 comma 12. So 12 is 9r. So r is 12 by 9, which is 4 by 3. So the value of r is 4 by 3. Okay, let's grade this. Question 1. I need to look at the solutions for this. 1 second. Yeah. Math, no calculator. BADBD, BADBD, ADCCB, ADCCB, DACBD, DACBD, and then 16 is 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 5, 5 by 4, and 4 by 3. Okay, so we got all correct. Hope this was useful. If it was, hit like and subscribe to the channel. Do check out video solutions for other recent tests that I have uploaded already. I'll link to them in the description box. I'll see you guys in a new video soon. Take care. Bye-bye.